Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and healthy boiled egg salad for weight loss. This recipe is packed with protein, which helps you feel full longer and reduces cravings throughout your day. It is also incredibly easy to prepare, making it a perfect option for a quick lunch or a light dinner. We will focus on ingredients that support your health goals without sacrificing flavor. For our healthy egg salad, we will start with 6 large hard-boiled eggs, which are the star of the dish. Instead of traditional mayonnaise, we will use 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt to keep it light and add a protein boost. We will also incorporate 2 tablespoons of finely chopped celery for a lovely crunch and 1 tablespoon of fresh dill for a burst of fresh flavor. Preparing this egg salad is incredibly simple. Begin by hard boiling your eggs for about 10 minutes, then cool them completely in an ice bath before peeling. Next, gently mash the peeled eggs in a bowl. Then, fold in the Greek yogurt, chopped celery, and fresh dill. Finally, season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Enjoy your healthy egg salad on crisp lettuce cups for a low-carb option, or spread it on 1 slice of whole wheat toast. You can also pair it with crunchy vegetable sticks for a satisfying snack. For a little extra zing, try adding a dash of Dijon mustard. This recipe makes about 2 servings, each around 200 calories, perfect for your weight loss goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.